Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to prepare your burdock roots. This is a burdock root right here. You just cut it and then it usually comes apart pretty easy. You can see this outside layer, that's the skin that's protecting the medicinal root. So I've already got the skin off that. Just kind of pull. If you do it fresh as soon as you harvest the root, it seems to come off nicely. So you can see how this is peeling off quite nice. So burdock root is good for so many things. I use a lot of it for people for a liver cleanse. I mix it with dandelion roots. Those two things together are really wonderful. I need a little knife, but you get the gist of it, guys. I'm going to grab my little knife and finish this up. But you get the gist. There's the inside of the root. That was the outer layer of the skin there. Just pull that because there's still more root. See, the skin comes off nicely. There's more root there. It's really not hard to do. You only need a knife in certain spots. You can pretty well do it with your hands. I love cleaning roots with my hands and just getting right in there because the roots, the medicine is in the roots and the seeds. Look how beautiful that is. So this is nice and tender. I'm gonna take a little bite. Yummy. Tastes like nothing. So when I cut this up, I'm going to put it in a stir fry. I'm going to put it in a couple smoothies. I'm going to try to eat this whole root here. This is not the root. I'm going to try to eat this whole root this week, which really isn't that big. If you see, once I start peeling it all off here. So we got that. Where's that other part? Is it, I guess? I'll wash this better. So there's a piece. Oh, there it is there. So all that I'm going to be eating is... Oh, there it comes off now. I don't need a knife. I just need to put some fingers into it and get it going. I'm only going to probably take it right to... Well, actually, I'm going to use the whole thing. It's all root. So I will clean this up. I'll take a knife and scrape that all nice. And I'll work on this part of the root. I'm only going to take that piece. I'm not going to bother with all that. I can tell that it's not great. So I would start peeling this root now. Let's see here. I'll show you how much I get from this root, maybe. So if you guys look into it, it's so good for you. Burdock root. So I'm going to leave you guys with that. You basically can see how much. I'm going to strip this of the skin, and I'll have that much. And I'm going to just incorporate this into my food this week after it's all cleaned up. And my liver will be so shiny and clean and wonderful. I hope this helps you guys. Go get some burdock root, guys. Like, the best time to really get it is when it starts to freeze, the beginning of winter, because everything goes down into the root system and it collects. That's where it holds all its medicinal value. But honestly, this is a second year one. That's what you do with the first year if you get them the first of the winter. This is a second year one, so it's fine to take it like even in the spring. And I'm gonna eat it. So I'm not gonna break it down and dehydrate this one and put it into capsules. I'm actually gonna just eat it. So it's more of a culinary root for me this week, but it has a lot of medicinal values.